Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple and updated guide on how to see the number of views on your posts in the X app, which many of us still know as Twitter. If you've ever posted something and wondered just how many people have actually seen it, this quick tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to track the reach of any post you share. Let's get started. The first step is to open the X app on your phone or device. Once you're logged in, head straight to your profile. This is where all of your own posts, reposts, and activity are collected together in one place. Next, find the post you want to check. You might be looking at a recent update, a poll, a photo, or even a simple text post. Just scroll through until you see the specific post that interests you, and then tap on it. Once the post opens fully on your screen, take a careful look right underneath it. Among the familiar details like likes, comments, and reposts, you'll notice another number. This is the view count. The view count tells you how many times your post has been seen in total. This means that whether someone clicked on it directly or simply saw it in their feed, it still contributes to the overall count. This feature is especially helpful if you want to understand how much attention your posts are getting beyond just likes or comments. For example, sometimes a post may not get as many interactions, but the view count can show that it still reached a large number of people. It's a great way to measure visibility and engagement together. And that's really all there is to it. To recap quickly, open the X app, go to your profile, tap on the post you're curious about, and then check right under it for the view count. With these steps, you can see exactly how far your content is spreading. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and try checking the views on a few of your own posts right now and see the real impact your words and media are making.